Hello friends, today we are going to explain two questions. Question number one, explain why if a stone held in our hand is released then it falls towards the earth. Why it happens that when we hold a stone in our hand and if it is allowed to release then it always falls towards the earth. This is the first question. The second question is what is the importance, what is the significance of gravitational force? So these two questions today we will deal. Question number one. Suppose this is the earth surface and a person is holding a stone in his hand. Suppose this is the person and he is holding a stone in his hand. Now suppose if he release the stone will fall towards the earth. The stone will always fall towards the earth. Why it is so? So this is because the earth exerts a force of attraction towards the stone. Earth exerts a force of attraction towards the stone which is called the gravity or the gravitational force. So because of the gravitational force exerted by the earth surface, the stone will fall towards the earth. So it is because of the phenomena which is called gravity. And the gravity or the gravitational force depends upon the masses. It depends upon the masses of the object. So one of the object is the earth surface. So let us suppose its mass is m1 and the second object is stone and suppose its mass is m2 and m1 is much greater than m2. The mass of the earth is much larger than the mass of the stone. So the force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two substances. But because the mass of the earth is extremely large, so the force of attraction also becomes very large. This is the directly proportional relationship. So the mass of the earth is very large, so the force of attraction between the earth and the stone is also very large, and due to which the gravitational force becomes also large, and as soon as the stone is released, it falls or it is attracted, the stone is attracted towards the earth surface. So this is the first question. The second is the significance of the gravitational force. Now the gravitational force has various significances. Number one, because of the gravitational force we are on the earth surface. Suppose this is the person and the person is on the earth surface, because the earth surface holds the person downwards always. So because of this the person always stands on the earth surface. Suppose that there is no gravitational force between the earth and the person, then this person will fly off into the space. So this will not happen because the earth exerts a force of attraction on the person, due to which the person always stands on the earth surface. It is always attached on the earth surface. This is the first significance. The second is the atmosphere. This is the earth surface and we all know that there is a layer of air around the earth surface. This is called atmosphere. So atmosphere is also held above the earth surface. Why it is so? Because the earth exerts a force of gravity on the atmosphere. So because of this the atmosphere will not escape. The atmosphere will not escape onto the space, into the space. So because of the gravitational pull of the earth, the atmosphere is always holded towards the earth surface and it will not fly off. And this is very important because we all know that atmosphere is extremely essential for the survival of living being, because oxygen is present and oxygen is required by all the living beings. Carbon dioxide is also present, which is required for the photosynthesis of green plants. So because of these force of attraction, the atmosphere is held near the earth's surface, so oxygen and carbon dioxide are available to all the living beings, so the living beings will survive. Besides this, there are other significances also, like the appearance of high tides and low tides on the sea or ocean. So because we all know that this is the sun, moon, so they are also very large body. Sun and moon are also very large body, so they exert a force of attraction on the water. So this is the water. So water is pulled towards the sun and water is also pulled towards the moon. So this is what happens. This is the process of high tides and low tides. So what is the cause of the appearance of tides in the ocean? The cause of the appearance of the tides in the ocean is due to the gravitational pull of sun and the water. The gravitational pull of the sun, of the moon and the water. So these are certain significances. And besides this, the one very important is that the solar system. The sun is the central point of the solar system. So the sun, this is the sun, and all the planets are revolving. For example, the earth, it is also one of the planets. So it is revolving around the sun. So why the earth is always revolving in a certain orbit? The earth is always revolves in a certain orbit around the sun because of the gravitational force. Gravitational force between the sun and earth. And likewise, all the planets which are revolving around the sun, they are all attracted towards the sun. They are all kept revolving in a certain orbits because of this gravitational force. So these are the certain significances of gravitational force. So I hope you understand the process. In the next video, we will discuss some other matter. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you, friends.